What are you doing? Hey, it's raining. Figures, because of that.
Well, yeah.
It's outside.
Not for long. It was pretty stormy earlier, like windy.
Well, tornado warnings and all that, yeah.
I went home and got the car.
Getting ready for the floods again?
Already flooding over there.
Is it? The road's getting flooded?
Not the road, but that property, the first farm right there, is already water back up in it, and our road just got water.
Right. And it's not even the rainy season yet.
It's not. It's like just rain for an hour or so.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You might as well, you know, get a boat.
Yeah, that hovercraft.
Yes. Wait.
You gotta shut the door because of the wind.
Look at this lighting in here.
Right? Like daytime.
So
I pulled up all the rest of the carpet, pulled all that stuff out, the seat belts.
So the other day I was going through some old footage of you first cutting a little tiny section of the floor.
Just enough for the tires to
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
A little bit more.
Who needs all that?
But it's going back in now. So
That's the thing.
cool.
So this is a update, and things are going to start happening now because we're past all that.
That's
And
steering. It works good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sure, babe. It's on the ground. Ooh, hold on.
Oh, you can see right there. The ground.
Well, here. It's not going out.
Here.
Look, she slammed.
That's the ground.
That's shit. So you got the floors going in.
Yep. This is all 1/8" steel, and I rolled it, bent it in a big press brake over at my buddy's shop, and so I got it tacked in place. There's some stitches in there, but I'll roll it fully, and then this bar can come out, and this bar can come out. And the winch is already gone, so once all that's out, it doesn't need those bars in there. And that's the walkway's literally right here. I mean, I know it don't got a headliner or nothing, but I'm standing on the highest point, and I'm not touching the ceiling. So even if you had to crouch just a little bit to get through this one little tiny spot.
Yeah, we can't help it if other people are really tall.
That's right. Tall people stay out. I don't know what to tell you. It's not my problem. you're not welcome.
Whoa. So yes, it's just like a little walkway.
Yeah.
It was hard to imagine it before, but now, like you said, it's not that bad. It's a little walkway, and you can just kind
see
of
the frame rails when it's all
roof down. Whoops. Yeah, just walk right
you'll
up.
see the frame, so you'll be able to see all of this when it's all said and done. You'll still see that, which is cool.
Mhm.
All that work, and I didn't have to hide it underneath of it. Inside
Can't
it.
get over the thing. And I was kind of joking with you the other day. You could cut a little cutout thing there and change your diff fluid from right from the inside.
Like you said, right from the toilet.
Yeah, if you do this in the toilet, you can change your diff fluid. So, what's next on it?
Next is I'm going to make the panel that goes right up front there in front of that piece, and like the transmission tunnel. I was thinking about that. It's not going to be like a round transmission tunnel because you have to walk there. So what I'll do is I'll make like a panel that's flat this way, and it'll have sides. So where the bump will be, it'll still be flat, so you could actually step there, not like a rounded step. I think that'll be easier. But I'm going to take this box tubing here, and I think I'm going to bring it up like that, just to tie that back together, because you had to obviously cut that out. So that way this whole piece will have all the reinforcement back in it, and then I'll just tie the transmission tunnel into that box tubing, and then everything from there forward is tubs and sheet metal. That's all sheet metal. I don't think I really, well, I don't know. What do you think, Rob?
You do exactly what I do. You just kind of start putting stuff together and hope it fits. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, you change something.
Right.
So yeah, it's, what I'm glad. I mean, the carpet was nice, but seeing that it's out, it's
looking cleaner without it.
yeah. And you know, hey, this thing's moving forward.
Yeah. I was pretty excited. I moved the pump up here. I put the front pump up there just to get them out of the way. So like that way I can still lift it, but because I need it to sit on the ground while they do the tubs to make sure the height of the tires and everything clears. But I am gonna put the dualies back on here. But I was gonna do it this morning, but it's raining and it was so windy this morning. I was afraid it was gonna blow over, even sitting on. Like, no.
Yeah, tornado warnings and everything out this morning till I think about 11 o'clock or something.
Yeah, and tomorrow freeze warnings. Yesterday was like 90.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Whatever. Yeah, it looks so much cleaner. I don't know what to do about, like, this is just wood, and it was sitting on top of this. Obviously, that beam went straight across, and then I changed it up when I had to make my mount for this. So, like, you know, for here, it's one thing. It's just welding a piece of metal back in here, but eventually the wood has got to come to here and be that high. Right. So I need to, like, fill this in with wood, but obviously it needs some kind of something to hold it up. The wood was strong enough to hold itself up before. There's a piece of aluminum they put underneath.
Maybe just an aluminum floor or something, or I don't know.
But how do I attach it?
I know. Yeah, it's true. If it's aluminum, you're still in the same boat.
This is just wood here, so I can't weld it here. Obviously, I can weld stuff to here.
And I'm wondering, like, if wood is right up close to it, you might end up with like some squeaks and this and that, or whatever. So.
Kind of need something that you could screw the wood to.
Maybe make like a little flange or something that you can screw it to.
Yeah.
Hey, if anybody's got any ideas, comment below. And
I'm not a carpenter with this wood stuff. Man, this has got me baffled.
Yeah. Wood.
Goofy. Why'd you make a car out of wood?
So stupid.
Yep. Yeah.
Cool.
That looks really good. I'm really excited about that.
Like it's like, I know you're doing all this work, but I'm excited now because I know there's going to be progress. Yeah. And that's why these updates have been so slow, because there really hasn't been much to see.
Nothing.
So I'm excited.
Same.
Can't wait. And I know it's a quick little update, not much going on, but a lot of guys are interested in this and they're wanting to see it. So we're going to show it.
Nice. I made that template last weekend and I had that done before Saturday. So
yeah.
It looked like half of the rear floor was already in. It's going to go fast now. Next week, hopefully the tubs will be in it.
We'll be driving to SEMA in a month. Wait, SEMA's in November. We got time.
Well, we might better get going.
Yeah. You got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
All right.
Go. Back to work.
See ya. Back to work.